Kinsley's Corner. Today we're going to be opening the LEGO Friends Sunshine Catamaran. This LEGO Friends set is ages 7 to 12, and that's perfect because I'm 7. And it has over 600 pieces. This is a big challenge, but we're going to get it done today. This LEGO Friends set comes with 3 mini dolls, Olivia, Stephanie, and Leon. Now it's time to check out what's inside, guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, but here's the big instruction book. It's the biggest LEGO Friends book I've ever had. So that means there's going to be a lot of pieces on this. It's time to build, guys. Sunshine Catamaran is humongous. It took us past an hour and a half. So I'm just going to be giving you a big tour of it and telling you what my favorite things are. One really cool thing about the catamaran is the net in the front of the boat. It's a really cool place to hang out. Next to the net is a jacuzzi along with some lounging chairs. On the back of the boat, there's these really cool sliding doors, so all the LEGO friends can get outside and explore all the cool features on the boat. On the side of the boat, there's a banana boat that can be pulled by the jet ski. We also have a really fun slide, which has a hidden feature. The slide opens up, which is where the jet ski is stored when we're not using it. On the top of the boat, we have lots of space to hang out and a little steering wheel to control the catamaran. The coolest part about this catamaran is that the top comes off. Inside, there's a whole living space, so where the LEGO friends can find anything they need. It has 2 bedrooms, including a bathroom and a kitchen, which has a little pizza cooking inside. Okay, now I'm going to put the top back on. Be really careful. This is really easy to break. All right, I think I need to scoot it over more. Then it will snap on. And I'm really looking forward for you guys to join me next time. Bye, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and watch Kinsley's Corner.